Hi. So let's talk about some reports today. In the QuickBooks, when you go on the left-hand side, you can see the standard reports, the custom reports, and the management reports. The base is the standard report. Let's start here, and I will click on the profit and loss. Once I do that, what happens is whatever transactions were there in the bank feed, I am able to see it. There are some toggle buttons where we can change the report dates and times. So I want to do it this year to date, which brings from January to September 15th, which is today. Methods of accounting, cash or accrual. Mostly I'm trying to do cash here because we are keeping the simple and the small business as our requirement. So what we see here is whatever income which the small company, the Craigslist landscaping has done it, we see here, and then all the expenses. In our other sections, we will be going through what are the different type of the reports and the categories and the areas means, mostly for the QuickBooks. The chart of accounts which we made, that's how the reports keep on coming. And we see all the different accounts in the different categories here. Multiple ways for different businesses, different industries and categories are there. Now, if I want to remember this report, what we do here is we can do save as and then write the name as the date. So if you write the name as 2025, because that's how the report is, and click on save, what happens when you go back to your category on the reports and go on the custom reports? You can see the report right here which you saved, and not only you, your team members, and if you share with your customers or the clients, they will also see it. Now this report directly brings us to that, and we do not have to do the options because this was saved in cash, this is now saved in cash. We have different options here like display, compare, and things. I love to use it. Definitely the compare is the one. If I want to compare it with the previous year or previous period, I do that and then run the report. Beautiful. If the numbers had been there from the 2024 also, good comparison. Before filing the tax returns for any client, this is a must step for review. And we will come back with the next topics. Thank you so much for watching.